Hey there, let's see some of the important crypto news, especially last few days. So let's begin one by one. So Bitcoin's current market size suggests it may reach a peak within next 200 days, which could align with a possible US recession forecasted for mid 2025. Research from Copper.co points to this timing as Bitcoin is now 554 days into the market cycle. And historically, Bitcoin cycle lasts around 756 days from when its yearly market cap growth becomes positive to its peak price. So Copper.co notes that this cycle likely began to mid 2025. I mean mid 2025, around the time BlackRock applied for a Bitcoin ETF, which could mean peak in mid 2025 if trends continue. And JP Morgan, JP Morgan, right? JP Morgan estimates a 45% chances of US recession in late 2025, which could compete with Bitcoin's peak. Especially, Copper.co's research highlights this overlap a factor that investors might consider this as strategies, especially with the broader economic uncertainties. And Bitcoin's high volatility is currently high, which realized volatility at 50% and implied volatility. The market future expectations researching its peak this year. This indicates suggests that Bitcoin could continue to experience the big price swing as especially 2025 nears. Bitcoin's relative strength index. It's nothing but RSI. RSI means relative strength index is at 60. Is just at 60 and lower than in past bull markets. So, but with for growth, according to Copper.co's extended analysis, many long-term Bitcoin holders are keeping their positions to showcasing confidence in Bitcoin futures. Through any moves by these holders could shift the market. So moving to next news. See here, DCX, a major Indian cryptocurrency, okay, is launching a campaign called Learn Crypto. It's cryptocurrency to help Indian investor understand crypto investing better. The goal is to reach 160 million. The goal is to reach 160 million investor with these educational efforts. And this initiative aims to give new or existing investors knowledge before they start investing in cryptocurrency. It's designed to support both new and existing investors, including over 5 million people already trading in stocks. And according to CoinDCX, many Indian investors are interested in crypto, but they are resistant due to lack of understanding how it works. So they believe this campaign can address those concerns and build investors in confidence. So the Con DCX, Prashant Verma, the chief marketing officer at Con DCX, explained that some investors fear making mistakes with crypto investment because they don't fully understand the asset. He said that this campaign aims to make the crypto easy to understand and provide the knowledge needed to make the smart decisions. And CoinDC's goal is to become a trusted crypto coach, means by making crypto concept simple and giving user the tools to they need to invest with full of confidence. So moving to next part, billionaire Mitchell Sayers' company MicroStrategy recently purchased 27,200 more bitcoins. Yes, which were 2.03 billion, which cost 2.03 billion. This latest buy reinforces MicroStrategy's position as the top corporate holder of Bitcoin. And the recent purchase took place from October 31st to November 10th, 2024, with each Bitcoin costing an average of 74,463, including all the fees. This new addition, MicroStrategies, now holds around 279,420 Bitcoins altogether, which they are acquired for a total of 11.9 billion so far. And with this purchase, the company's average price for each Bitcoin stands at $42,692, while Bitcoin current market price significantly higher than the 81,700 currently recording this video. So Bitcoin even hit a record high over 90,000, driven by a positive outlook of a US election brought in more pro-crypto leaders. Alongside this rally, Bitcoin futures saw high trading activity with open and interest rate of exchange exceeding 2.8 billion. 2.8 billion. However, despite the excitement around the Bitcoin, MicroStrategy's recent earning report showed lower than the expected revenue. So reaching $116 so million instead of anticipating 112.66 million. So, highlighted MicroStrategy is pushing forward with its 2021 plan, which aim to raise the $42 billion over the next few years. This plan includes gathering over 21 billion through stock sales and another 21 billion from fixed income sources to continue their ambitious Bitcoin buying strategies. So moving to next part, the recent surge in US spot either exchange traded funds ETFs reached unprecedented levels as a total inflows climbed over $294 million, and this major boost comes on the heels of the broader market rally following Donald Trump's recent election. So, which has stimulated fresh interest in now crypto assets. And on November 11th, provided to be a milestone date for these funds as they recorded inflows were exceeding their previous high of 106 million set in July. So, according to data from the SSO value, the Fidelity Ethereum Fund, FETH, lead the packing recording draw of $11 million, marking the highest influx for this fund to date. So on the other major side, either ETFs also saw notable inflows. Okay, this iShares Ethereum Trust ETF managed by BlackRock and Scale Funds is now recorded the second highest inflow at $100 million, and Grayscale's Ethereum Mini Trust ETF secured our third place and attracting 63 is nothing but 63 million, followed by the Bitwise Ethereum ETF which pulled 15.6 million. And interestingly, while other these major ETFs gained high sustainable interest, all other US spots either ETFs saw there is no inflows over the same period, and this shift suggests that investors are increasingly a few prominent funds as they look to capitalize on Ether's recent price gains. So Ether's price now climbed 8.4% to $3,384 on November 11th. As recording the video, a high not seen in over 3 months. CoinGecko data reveals that this upstick is a part of a larger rally in the crypto market over the value of digital asset has increased over 10% actually. And despite the positive trend, it still trails behind the strong performing asset like Bitcoin, Solana in the cycle. And crypto analyst Rachel Ugaskov from BTC market observed that while ether has lagged, the growing demand for spot ether ETFs is helping it catch up actually. And also pointed out that while US spot its ETFs do not offer stacking returns. The prospect of the ETH's bullish trend may still attract the traditional investor. For some, the increasing visibility of spot ETF signaling an opportunity to invest in Ethereum's growth potential even without staking the incentives. So moving to next part, its Bitcoin recently surpassed silver to become the eighth largest asset. It became the eighth largest asset with a market cap of $1.7 trillion, slightly higher than the silver $1.726 trillion. This surge in Bitcoin's value reaching $90,000 after its 9% rates in just one day was driven by optimism about the crypto supportive US government after Donald Trump election win. So alongside actually Bitcoin's crypto market now also exceeds over the several major companies including like Meta, Tesla, and Hathaway. This one like platforms having $1.4 trillion Coming to Meta, it's having like platform 1.472 trillion and Tesla 1.12 trillion dollar, and Warren Buffett's Hathaway is valued 1.007 trillion. Like these milestones reflect Bitcoin's growing influence in the global finance landscape as it continues to climb up the ranks of the largest assets. So despite like Bitcoin's growth, gold remains the top gold asset. Gold remains the top gold assets with a market cap of 17.6 trillion dollar, with Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, and Google also ranking among the top 5. Yeah, this all about the top important crypto news happened last from few days. So if you like it, don't forget to like the video. We'll see you in the next upcoming video.